Yo, what's good, y'all? It's aidandayungeen back here for another video, and today I got you guys a little surprise. Well, not really a surprise. I told y'all I was gonna do it, and I told you it'd be coming soon, and it came. So let's get right into it. So like I said I was gonna do, Muffler deleted my Dodge Charger Pursuit. Now I do gotta get some new like shit for the bottom. I do have to, because I did it myself. It was kind of just an at-home thing, so I think there is a little bit of a leak, but because I didn't weld it, it's just clamps. But I gotta get inspection here soon. But yeah, it sounds pretty fucking good. I'll let you guys hear it. Actually, prop this shit up over here. So that's that, y'all. Now let's get into a little driving for y'all. Do a little bit of driving for you. Police around here have been on my dick, so nothing crazy for today. So this guy's about to call the cops. Let's go see what the ambulance are doing. Let's go see. They got him out right now. Y'all, we're about to track down this ambulance, as long as they're not going too far. But we gonna see. As for the ABS light and shit, it's just a wheel speed sensor, so quick fix. Just gotta grab them. I'm gonna be doing that fair, like soon. Whenever I have a chance to get the parts. But how do y'all fuck with the sound of the car? I think it sounds better personally, but I think it's gonna sound a lot better after the exhaust leak is all figured out. I just gotta, honestly, I might just end up welding it because fuck it. But we'll find out. Woo, I'm cruising. Shit. I'm just gonna whip in there after him. Take a U-turn. Last night, I don't know if it fucking was just like, I honestly don't know what happened, but I'm pretty sure like my car set off a person's car alarm last night, because I pulled up next to him and like I revved my car like it was a car that was off, and the fucking alarm started going off. So I don't know if that was because of that or not, but that's kind of what I figured, so we'll just say that's what it was. But nah, I love this car for sure. I've had it for probably about, I don't know, I want to say like week and a half, 2 weeks now, and I'm definitely enjoying it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to spin this bitch around in here in a minute. And I'm gonna give y'all like a good, like, you know, of what it sounds like when it drives. Like a good view of what it sounds like when it drives. I don't know what word to use, so we'll just, yeah. And I would spin on these videos, but I want to get this shit fixed up first, so I'm not breaking anything. I want to get those real speed sensors and some more shit done to it real quick before I fucking start sliding it. But it will be coming soon, y'all wait. Damn, I might have wasted my fucking time. I'm about to just slow down so you can go far in front of me. When we get to the top of this hill, I'm gonna gas it. Brakes done. That's the next fucking thing that I gotta do maintenance wise. It's my brakes. But was just a short little video for y'all to see hear the new muffler delete and how it sounds. I hope y'all fuck with it. It's gonna be how it is gonna be for a little bit. Like I said though, that exhaust leak will be fixed. But hopefully again, y'all fucked with the sound of it. Y'all like it. And make sure to subscribe for new content, because I'm gonna be putting new content out. I'm gonna be going crazy this year. Just watch. I've been trying to do my best for y'all recently. I believe this will be my 3rd video uploaded. So yeah, I'm hoping y'all are fucking with the videos. Hoping you guys are fucking with the car. And yeah, I just want to say that I really appreciate everyone who is subscribed, everyone who watches me, everyone who supports me. I appreciate everything that you guys do. Even though, you know, like, I'm not a big YouTuber yet or anything, but I still, like, it still feels good to see views and see likes and see comments and shit and everything. And shout out to my boy Avery and my boy Chris. They've been supporting me like crazy recently, and I really fuck with y'all for that, and I appreciate it. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna probably head home and go watch some South Park or some shit and enjoy the rest of my night, and I hope y'all do the same. Anyways, other than that, I hope y'all have a good one, and peace out.
Yeah, here we go again. Lights was off at mama house so she couldn't see my vision. Go extra boy, I broke the law and flew pounds in my city. I'm in the lab truck, get my dick sucked. Light skin, dark skin, I won't go from.